Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ke Npyf haringkat ke jingetre lang bat ke Jingsynñiang Blood Donors Organization ha kasi sajan kala penong ke program no Jingsynñiang Snam ne ke blood donation camp haringkat ke jing pensyai halor ke jing koridor jo ke jing no Jingsynñiang ya ke Snam ban long pat ke jing Jingsynñiang ya kitu ke badan kam Snam kerki ya kani ke jing ya lang na penong ha pasture institute halau mali bat ya kani ke jing Snam la Lamkhmat do ba Ransom sutengah obade ukurtong ke NPP na North Shillong constituency Hagani kesni kila don kumbah riu pongwat AA balawan Lamkhmat panno Jingsynñiang ya ke Snam. Haswa kani ha ke jing elang ke Dr. C Butna kala pensyai halor ke jing don kam banno Jingsynñiang ke Snam ban pensyai ru bakam don jing kta AA. Ubak Ransom haba penpau ke jing kemen halor kani ke program ke bakong san baha uloang balada kum ki MLA bat MDC ke jela ki shimkia ban penong kum kani ke program no Jingsynñiang ke Snam ke nong shisha ke jing mentoy ke bakrau ban na ban pelaj ye ki mensim koridor
17 North Block Executive Committee for organizing this program. Now, as per my knowledge today, those friends who have registered with us is around, I think, 47 of them. And today it's really a day I believe that will set a record, especially to take this noble job. Now donating blood, it is an act of solidarity, and also it is an effort to save lives. To save lives is much more important than anything else, as per my understanding. And there is written which says, anything which is good, anything which is praiseworthy, continue to do that. And I believe that this is the beginning that the Npyf is doing this noble cause to save lives. And I urge and I request all the members of Npyf to continue this noble act in the days to come. We have learned that this should not, be the end of this program, but this should continue in the days to come. Now, Dr. C. Butna, who is also the in charge of the Pasteur Institute Blood Bank Blood Center,